Welcome back to Home Lifestyle and Decor. Today I plan to achieve the most difficult task of organizing my son's study table. In the process, I will share some simple yet cool ideas with you. Do let me know if you like them through the comment section below. You can also leave your suggestions and feedback on my Facebook page. Before starting with the boring part of declutter, I will make some cute accessories. To start with, we will use the stones from my garden. With 2 coats of oil paint, it will be ready for any design. We will sketch some designs with pencil first and then use poster colors to make these cute paperweights. For the tabletop, I have got this dry branch which I will make a statement piece by using white oil paint. And I'll utilize this old photo calendar. This has got pictures on both sides, making it perfect for hanging it on the tree. Next, I will reuse old wedding invitation cards for some bookmarks. Inspirational quotes written with 3D outliner, expected to impact the subconscious young mind. Ready to start organizing from the top. Small changes but giving a nice refreshing look. Now need to get rid of the clutter and find a place for everything else. This wooden box needs a fresh look, so I'll paint it with dark brown oil paint to match with the table and will decorate it with old coins. Using old invitation cards again to make sections for pen, pencils, scales and markers. Adding a file holder to keep the books and copies he is using for the current project or homework. This will help keep the table tidy. Organize the papers in the plastic folders to keep them neatly. A small container to keep paper clips in place. I use this plastic organizer to have all the colors and sketch pens in one place. Finally, it is all done. Bookmarks and paperweights to add personal touch. Nicely organized table shows the effort given here. Hope it will keep my son energized while studying and pray that it remains so at least for a few weeks. If you like the ideas, do let me know and also share them with your friends and family. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you.